Hi, it's Dr. Connie Carver of Hormonal Health Greenville. We're going to talk about some common health issues that women face. So here's the thing. We are all going to go through menopause. And even though I always say that menopause is natural, it's not necessarily healthy for us. There are so many tissues in the body that depend on adequate hormones in order to perform at optimal levels. So one thing we can do to help a woman's health is to restore those hormones using natural bioidentical. Studies are actually showing that women who get on hormones fairly soon after menopause and stay on them actually live up to 5 years longer. They have lower rates of heart disease, breast cancer, osteoporosis, dementia, and even more. So that's one thing that we need to be aware of. Another thing that can affect women is osteoporosis, which is when your bones lose calcium. And again, this can be addressed by hormones, lifestyle, exercise, and certain supplements. Women also suffer heart attacks. So a lot of women are more afraid of breast cancer, but women actually die higher rates of heart disease as they get older versus breast cancer. So this is another area where lifestyle, certain supplements, and hormones can be very protective. So if you have any concerns about your health, come in and see us. We can help.
Hi, Dr. Saxena here, Chief Medical Officer at Hormonal Health. Thanks for visiting our channel. Make sure to subscribe to get the latest insights and information on functional and integrative medicine.